If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional carpenter, choosing the right brad nailer can make a world of difference in the precision and power of your projects. In this video, we present our top 5 picks, thoroughly reviewed and compared to help you make an informed decision. From build quality to nail depth adjustment, we cover all the essential features you should consider. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Metabo HPT Brad Nailer Kit. This brad nailer kit is the go-to choice for professionals and serious DIYers who value performance and reliability. As the preferred brand of pneumatic nailers, Metabo HPT has established a reputation for delivering exceptional quality and precision. With its 18-gauge capacity, this brad nailer effortlessly drives 5/8 to 2-inch brad nails into various materials, making it ideal for trim work, furniture building, and other finish applications. The adjustable depth control feature allows you to customize the depth of the drive, ensuring consistent and clean results every time. With a lightweight design and a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended periods of use. Its selective actuation switch allows for quick transitions between sequential and bump firing modes, giving you the flexibility to choose the most suitable option for your project. Here are some pros. Preferred brand of pneumatic nailers. Wide 18-gauge capacity for versatile applications. Adjustable depth control for precise nail placement. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Selective actuation switch for sequential or bump firing. Cons. Requires an air compressor for operation. Number 2. DeWalt 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. For those seeking the convenience of cordless operation without compromising power, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit is the ultimate solution. This 18-gauge brad nailer combines the freedom of mobility with professional-grade performance. The cordless design eliminates the hassle of cords and hoses, allowing you to move freely around the job site. Powered by a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, this brad nailer delivers consistent driving force and offers extended runtime for uninterrupted work. Featuring tool-free depth adjustment, you can easily control the nail depth for precise and flush results. The selectable trigger system provides the option of sequential or contact actuation, giving you the versatility to match the tool's firing mode to your specific application. Here are some pros. Cordless design for increased mobility. Powerful 18-gauge brad nailer. Ample runtime with the 20V Max lithium-ion battery. Tool-free depth adjustment. Selectable trigger system for sequential or contact actuation. Cons. Slightly heavier compared to pneumatic nailers. Number 3. KYMO 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer. This nail gun is a versatile and powerful battery-powered tool designed to meet the demands of upholstery, home improvement, and woodworking projects. This 2-in-1 cordless brad nailer electric stapler offers the convenience of a multifunctional tool in a single package. With an adjustable depth control mechanism, enabling you to customize the nail depth to suit different materials and applications. With its quick-release nose, clearing jams is a breeze, ensuring smooth operation and minimizing downtime. Here are some pros. Cordless design for enhanced convenience. 2-in-1 brad nailer electric stapler versatility. 2.0 Ah batteries for extended runtime. Quick charging batteries. Adjustable depth control for precision. Cons. May require additional batteries for larger projects. Number 4. Thinkwork 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer. This 18-gauge cordless brad nailer is a durable and reliable nail gun designed to tackle woodworking and renovation tasks with ease. This battery-powered tool offers the freedom of cordless operation, combined with the power and durability needed for demanding projects. This cordless brad nailer comes with 1,000 nails, ensuring you have a ready supply to start your projects. With its adjustable depth setting, you can achieve consistent nail depth and create professional-looking finishes. The ergonomic design and anti-slip handle enhance user comfort and control, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Here are some pros. Durable and reliable cordless brad nailer. Dual-mode firing system for versatility. Ample power and fast recharging capabilities. Includes 1,000 nails for convenience. Ergonomic design with an anti-slip handle. Cons. May require periodic reloading of nails. Number 5. New Master 18-gauge 2-in-1 Cordless Brad Nailer. The new Master 18-gauge nail gun is a battery-powered cordless tool that combines the functionality of a brad nailer and a staple gun. This versatile 2-in-1 tool is perfect for home improvement and woodworking projects. Powered by a 2.0 lithium-ion battery, This nail gun offers reliable and consistent performance, allowing you to complete your projects with ease. The package includes 1,000 nails and 500 staples, providing you with everything you need to get started right away. Its quick-release nose allows for easy clearing of jams, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, this nail gun offers comfortable operation and precise results. Here are some pros. Battery-powered cordless brad nailer staple gun. 2-in-1 functionality for versatility. Reliable power and performance. Adjustable depth control for precision. Quick-release nose for easy jam clearing. Cons. May require additional nails and staples for larger projects. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.